English church tower bells have a unique combination of control and sound. They can be rung in endless combinations and heard for miles across the English countryside. And the city of Calgary, Canada. This bell is quite loud but hard to control. The carillon has great control but often must be amplified. Christchurch has 8 bells which need 8 ringers. Less bells are rung if there are fewer ringers. Only one bell strikes at a time, and each combination of all the bells striking once is called a change. The English-style bell gets its power by swinging through a full circle before striking, and its control by coming to rest between blows. 2 ideas made this possible. The bell rope is wrapped around a wheel, and a sliding stop allows the bell to balance mouth up. The essence of this design has not been improved on in centuries. Each bell is controlled by a rope. The padded area is the sally, and the free end is the backstroke. Each rope is guided from the ringing chamber up the tower until it reaches the bell chamber. The rope is attached to the bell wheel in such a way that it will move a short distance on one stroke and a long distance on the opposite stroke. This is the short or hand stroke. And this is the long or backstroke. The bells are stored mouth down when not in use, for safety, and to unload the slider mechanism. Before they can be used, they must be rung up. That is, swung through bigger and bigger arcs, until they come to rest mouth up. This stores energy in the bells, which can be converted to sound. Once a bell is rung up, gravity does most of the work, and the ringer need only replace friction losses. In call change ringing, the conductor gives detailed instructions to the ringers. Centuries ago, ringers invented ways of writing down the combinations like music. The conductor then only called start and stop or added variations. The rules for changing combinations are called methods. A bell is only allowed to change places with the bell that rang immediately before or after it in the previous sequence. Ringing methods obey mathematical principles to ensure that all possible combinations have been sounded before a change is repeated. Methods have wonderful sounding names like Plain Hunt, Plain Bob, Grandsire, Stedman, or Surprise. and are often named after the composer or the place where they developed.
Go, right side doubles.